Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Waukesha inline positive displacement lobe type pump. It's the size 15, so as most of you know, it's about 15 GPM. We've equipped it with a new speed controller by Tico. We're running about half capacity right now, and as the pump's drivetrain does not reach the mechanical maximum RPM, it's set up to run a slow, steady flow. Right now we're running at about half speed, so you see it's only running maybe a few gallons a minute. And of course, you go over to the controller, and in a second or two as you're pressing on the keys, it'll pick up speed, and you know, if you're trying to go a long way, and you can program and change all these functions. 60 hertz would be the maximum capacity. There you go. Seals are holding well. Got a little test tank we use for a lot of these. And you can see there's a considerable difference in the flow. Pump's been completely rebuilt. It's operating on 220 single phase voltage. The controller automatically converts it to 3-phase to operate the existing motor. We have everything in process and packaging in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.